Hello and welcome to Kryptoschnack. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. It's nice to have you all here. And if you like my content, please subscribe and put a like button. I would really appreciate that. And what I'm going to talk about today is pretty easy and straightforward. We're going to start with CoinMarketCap just to get an impression what we have currently going on at the market. And Ethereum is exploding 12%. We broke the $400 range, which was so important. And what does that mean for Bitcoin? Many times when Ethereum is doing that, they are the ones starting the rise and Bitcoin is coming afterwards. So yeah, we are not far away from the 12K, and 220 points can be done really fast if an explosion is happening. So we are going into the weekend when the stock market is closing today in the afternoon. American time, of course, European time at night, 10 o'clock. Then this will be really something to watch out, how the crypto market is going to react, because there's always some reaction going on when the Monday to Friday stock market is closing. And currently Ethereum is leading the way for increases, and so it's going to be really interesting to see how Bitcoin is going to react. Yeah, we have Chainlink is down 4%, which is not a surprise. As always, when big gains are happening, people will sell and do some profits. Yeah, we have modest winners, gainers here. Tron with almost 15%. And yeah, it looks all good going into the weekend, and it's going to be really exciting to see what's happening. We have currently a market cap of $370 billion, high volume of 114 billion, and a Bitcoin dominance of 58.7%. One of the reasons I think that this one just yeah, dropped a bit is because Ethereum is taking a bit of a share of that, because they yeah, were pumping going up, I mean, by 12%. So let's go into the charts. And my friends, following thing, we do have yeah, we have a trend. The trend is still going upwards. If we look back at the end of the month, we had around 10,600. Now we are like 10% higher. So we had some up and downs. We had this horrible weekend when we crashed, but we got right back on track, and we are going up and down. We had some resistance up here. We had the resistance up here. On the other side, we found some support, especially down here at that line. So the other line that I just put here was because in average we were always going around this line around 11.2K, and at the same time we have the upgoing triangle, and yeah, so we found support here, and then in the morning today, European time in this case, and in the evening American time, we were just starting to go up by almost yeah, 2%. And now we are like going around 11,800, and it's going to be really interesting to see how the yeah, how the price is going to go, in which direction it's going to go. I'm just going to zoom in a bit. So what I'm assuming is we really gonna retest the 12K mark, but you see the 12K are up here, and we currently have resistance which is at 11,900. So if we assume in the next few hours we're going up, it's going to be 11,900. So this is just $100 away. So this is going to be really interesting. It can happen any hour. It depends how fast, but I believe it's going to happen tonight when the stock market is closing. We just had a little pullback. We were 50 points up 5 minutes ago. So it's going to be interesting. We were really close. So let's see how it goes. I do really think that once we break through here, we have the 12,100 and here again the 1260K. It's going to be important that we break those levels and go towards a higher high, because currently we had a high but we had a lower high. So it's going to be really important that we break through that, and then this would be the next point to go. It would be 13,400K if we break through this resistance we have currently at around 12K. So if we look at the daily chart, it looks pretty similar. You see that we have been bouncing around here, and I do actually believe it's a really good sign that we have something like this going on. It's actually pretty bullish, as we had this one here, which was really long in this case, but you see we are still going up. So you see we broke the 800 right now again, so it is just a question of time when we will break through the 12K. Yeah, so if you liked my video, if you like the news that I'm talking about, please subscribe. I really need any help and support for my channel. And for the last thing, we had some rumors going around that because of the biggest Bitcoin mining pool sent 800 Bitcoin to Binance, if there's going to be a sell-off on Friday. But as you saw, the market is actually in a positive mood, and I don't think that we are having the time again like 2016, 2017, when this kind of 800 Bitcoin can react so hard to the market. Because currently we have so many people investing into Bitcoin that the market is really stable, despite really big whales. But I'm talking about whales with 3,000, 4,000 Bitcoin. That is something that the price can really influence. I would agree with that. But 800 Bitcoin, I don't believe this will stop us from the way going up towards higher highs. Okay, so if you like this video, guys, I wish you a really nice weekend. Please support me, and if you like to listen to more analysis and news, posting videos almost every single day. So I'm looking forward to see you all again here, and I wish you a very nice weekend. Take care, guys.